Number 7, solve the following. Okay, A and B. So 15t plus 8 equal to 4 minus t. I will just do as slow as possible. Okay. So 15t plus 8, you bring the t over. First, we bring the t minus to the other side, it becomes plus t, and then equal to 4 and 8. For the 8 is plus, then bring to the other side, become minus 8. So 15t plus t, that will give 16t. 4 minus 8 is minus 4. So your t equal to negative 4. 16 is time. You bring to the other side, become divide 16. Therefore, your t is equal to 8 minus 1 over 4. B, for B, this is a single fraction. Therefore, you can just settle the 3 first. Okay, 3 become times 3. The rest you just copy. 25 minus 2u equal to 2 times 3. So 25 minus 2u equal to 6. So negative 2u equal to 6 on the 25 is a plus. So bring to the other side, it becomes minus 25. Okay. So negative 2u equal to minus 19. So u equal to minus 19. 2 is time, therefore you divide minus 2. That will give you my positive 19 over 2. We can put as 9.5. I hope this discussion, along with the revision tips and answering strategies, will help you in your exam preparation. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational content. Best of luck with your studies, and I will see you again in next video.